Right, so just going to show you how I make Mexican rice. So this is for 1 cup of uncooked rice is what I'm going to use, and I've got about half an onion chopped. Just going to brown that a bit first. Right, so 1 cup of rice, uncooked rice, and we'll just brown that in the oil for a wee minute. So this here is just some tomato sauce I made up. It's just canned tomatoes and about a tablespoon. So 1 can of Italian tomatoes and a tablespoon or so of tomato paste blended in the blender. And so I add about half a cup to a cup of this sauce. Only really have about half a cup left. And then you want to add about 2.5 cups of water, maybe 3. You might need to add a bit more later on. Chuck about half a cup in, more for now. So that's 2.5 cups in total. And then we season it with a wee bit of, I got this chicken stock powder here, and just chuck in like actual chicken stock, like the liquid stuff, or you could use those cubes. And what I do is I add about a teaspoon now. If I was adding cubes, I'd probably add about half a cube, and then we're going to save the rest for later. We're going to add some more at the end. Garlic powder, about a teaspoon. You can get it. Kind of dried up, but it's all good. And some cumin, add about half a teaspoon. Now, that's pretty much it. Give it a wee mix, and just going to let that boil down until there's until you know the rice has absorbed all the liquid. And if the rice doesn't look like it's cooked, we might need to add a bit more water. But yeah, just let that go. Take about 10-15 minutes. So yeah, as you can see, the water is pretty much completely absorbed. Just going to let it go for a minute or 2 longer. So yeah, just going to finish the seasoning. Add the last bit of seasoning, so just another half teaspoon or so of cumin. I guess you could put some chili too if you want, a bit spicy. Actually I might do that. Just a wee bit of chili. If you like it spicy, then put more. Bit more garlic powder. And a wee bit more chicken stock powder, half a teaspoon or so.